Okay, everybody, I just wanted to welcome you to Long Distance Algebra 2. Um, I just have some information that I need to kind of get to you today, and in the form of this introduction. And then as soon as I can, I'll get that first lesson posted so that you can start working on that first handout that you have. First of all, I got to tell you, this has kind of been a long experience in trying to learn all these things here. So I'm doing the best I can to try to get used to this software so that I can get all of these videos posted and get the information to you so that you can start working on the things that we're going to try to complete in the time that we have left. Okay. We are going to try to cover roughly the equivalent of a chapter. That chapter is going to be on fractional exponents and radicals. It's an important lesson that you guys are going to need more information about as you get into the higher classes, the college level classes ahead. So I want to get a good introduction of that information to you. So kind of bear with me. We'll take our time kind of going through it so that you have a chance to gather as much as you can before we move on. Okay. There will be homework, as you see in the packups you picked up already. I will get more to you through the pickup and drop off. I'll explain some more of that in a little bit. A lot of the lessons are going to be set to be either one, you may have one lesson that goes for the whole week. That will be kind of the common trend as we go through. But again, there's going to be roughly 5 or 6 lessons that we're going to try to cover in the time that we've got. I do plan on a test, but the test will be open notes, open computer resources, anything that you can use to help you answer the questions. It will just be a summary of everything that we've already been covering in the homework, so nothing too stressful there, just to get a chance to kind of wrap everything up. Pick up and drop off for homework and packets. What I'm trying to do is on Thursday of this week, and then on every Friday after, from about 10 to 2, the school will be available in that commons area. They're going to try to set up a table so that you can go in, drop off the homework that you've completed, pick up the next set of packets or other worksheets, and then take those home, and we'll be ready to go from there. Like I said, once I get a little bit more into all of this, this will go a little bit smoother. You'll be able to work at your own rate and whenever you have the time to do so. I'm not planning on using Zoom at all, like some of the other teachers might be. I don't know your availability and when you can get to a computer. These pre-recorded little sessions that I'm doing are about 10 to 15 minutes a piece, and they will take you through the information. You can watch them whenever you want. They have examples on them, explanations, anything else you might need. I will also try to introduce, whenever possible, maybe a YouTube video that also goes with it, so that you have a chance. If I didn't go far enough, then some of these other videos might help you with it a little bit more. Okay, so that's my kind of plan there. Okay. Other than that, probably the only thing to really stress, people have been asking me about the time slots. That what Mr. Krob sent out was kind of a framework for class times. Like I said, with pre-recorded lessons like this, you will be able to do your lessons whenever you want. Okay, so don't feel like you have to turn on at 8:15, on Tuesday and Thursday to be able to get this class. I'm going to try to set it up so as soon as I can get stuff available to you, and then if you even have the opportunity to work ahead a little bit, maybe you can. I don't know. I'm trying now. Well, keeping up is going to easy. It's going to go, but I'll do the best I can. The only other thing that I stress is that if you're having issues, concerns about either watching lessons or information isn't complete, or you're still having certain problems with certain types, email me. Okay. If I have enough interest in certain things, I'll either set up a Zoom meeting and we can work on problems that way, or what I'll do is if I have certain other problems that people want to see, then I will go ahead and write out solutions, scan them, post them, and then you guys can look at them that way to hopefully help you through the rest of the material. But communicate, communicate. Tell me if something's going wrong. I don't want to wait until we're halfway through and find out that we're having serious issues still in section 1. Okay. So with the homework, again, try to keep up with it. I'll try to set due dates, but they aren't going to be late or anything afterwards. Just that way I can try to grade, record, and then get stuff back to you so that you're building that resource of materials that you have for the test when we get to that point. Okay. So, like I said, be patient, bear with me. I'm working as quick as I can, and I will have some more information on that first section to you shortly. Okay. Thank you.